Today I will show you my new renovated master bedroom. I hired a contractor to do this project. So at the end, I will show you the detailed material fee and labor fee at the end of the videos, so you can decide whether this project is worth it or not. The contractor is only responsible for the labor part. So how much they ask for labor fee to renovate bedrooms? First, let's talk about the size of my master's bedroom, 10 feet with high ceilings. And the contractor asked $8 for the labor fee. And this bathroom is built before 30 years ago. So there is a wall over here between the two windows. There is a wall and a door on this side. It's separated the toilet with other part of the bathroom. A waste of the space. So I have to remove those walls and the door. And also I asked them to relocate two air conditioner from the wall to the, and they asked $1,200 to remove these two walls. So totally I paid $9,200 for the labor fee. It's because I want to know the quality and the price for the product, for the material. My contractor is pretty reasonable. They allowed me to purchase the things that I want to purchase, but they will take care of the rest of the materials. What I need to do is only to pay them at the end of the project. Of course, they will show me the receipt. So I only purchased the things you can see from these videos, and contractor purchased all the items that walls and the walls. For the bathroom design, I know that I want a freestanding bathtub and faucet. Also, I want a shower. I want a vanity, and of course, a toilet. But even I know that what I want, but it's still very hard to imagine what kind of wall tiles and what kind of floor tiles that I need to choose. So I go to the Floor and Decor. They have a free design service. So I call them to make a 2 hours appointment. The people there use a computer to design 3D models. He put everything that I want, and also they try so many wall tiles and floor tiles from the store to let me see directly from the computer what it looks like. For the floor tiles, I choose the 15-inch times 30-inch white one with some yellow lines on top. Matte, non-slippery. It's about $3 per square feet. For the shower wall tiles, I choose the bigger tiles. The size is 2 feet by 4 feet, glossy, because it's easy to clean up. Now let me show you some other items that I purchased for this bathroom. First one is this 74-inch vanities. I purchased this from Wayfairs. The price is around $1,300. The most part I like is it has electric outlet, so I can charge hair dryers inside, put the wires in it. It's not messy at all for my countertop and save a lot of space. And there are 3 drawers in the middle, and it already separates 6 parts drawers. And of course, if you don't want, you can remove it. All the drawers are slow closure. There's another button over here, and you can put a lot of stuff in it. The faucet is not included in the vanities. I purchased it from Amazon. It's $40 each. I purchased 2 sets. When talking about the mirror, I choose with LED. Let's try it down. It can turn on the lights, redeemable. Also, you can change the color of the light. The last one is anti-fog. It's pretty useful after take a shower. I purchased from around $200 each. For the light, I purchased from is $50 each. I purchased two. For the shower glasses, what I purchased is a frameless cornered sliding door shower glass. It's from Home Depot. The price is around $1,300. For the floor, it's natural stone. It is sealed 3 times with the penetrating sealers. It's a bit pricey, about $10 per square feet. It's from Home Depot. It's a shower panel systems I purchased from Home Depot too. It's around $300. It has 4 functions. The first one is normal shower. The second one is waterfalls. The third one is massage. The water is come out from this jets. And the fourth function is this shower hand wand. Next is the freestanding bathtub. This bathtub is 60-inch long, and it can contain 66 gallons of water, and the inside bottom is pretty long. So my husband and my sons, when they sit in it, they can relax. So if you want to buy the bathtub, please consider this part. Purchases from Home Depot, the price is around $100. And this freestanding faucet I purchased from Home Depot too. The price is $350. And this bathtub tray is a gift from my husband. He made it for me. So when I take a bath, I drink on one side and some flowers on the other side, or the flowers on the other side. Materials and tools you cannot make by yourself, and you can definitely purchase. I know that Amazon has a lot of sales that you can choose. This painting is drawn from my younger son, who loves toucan. I want to make a lot of walls, so put a stool here so I can put toilet paper on it. The remote controller is for the Bell Bidet toilet seat. I purchased this from $50. And for the toilet, I purchased from Amazon is $200. This leather is also made by my husband. I use it to hang some towels. I know that if you cannot do it, you can purchase it online from Amazon. I remember that there is $20 to $30 with different color and materials. About this whole product, so you can check it out. Welcome to see whether you think it's worth or not. Thank you for watching.